Android application for learning English as a foreign language. Language bridge technology. Nobody learns to drive by reading the car's manual, yet that is precisely the way most people try to learn foreign languages. This old method is now a thing of the past. Language bridge technology offers a new, innovative way of learning English. The language bridge application moves language learning away from the classroom and textbooks to learning on mobile devices. Mobile learning silences the tyranny of the mother tongue, the main barrier to learning a new language, and allows for acquisition of English as a specialized skill by using subconscious learning. Acquisition is like being able to drive, but not necessarily knowing how the car works. The New York Times states there are 1.2 billion people around the world who want to learn English, and 400 million of them are in China. Below, we demonstrate how the Android application can help in resolving the English mania in China and other countries. English represents hope for a better future, a future where the world has a common language to solve its common problems. The Language Bridge application uses a patented process called reverse language resonance to instill fluency, speaking and thinking in English, intuitive grammar, English language patterns, clear pronunciation, and correct spelling. Learners acquire these skills through re-experiencing known situations, immediately immersing learners in English. The application begins with a words cloud and relaxing music to activate your right brain and facilitate subconscious learning. Words on the screen are randomly selected from the lesson text. Each time you open the app, a different set of words appears. With or without your awareness, your subconscious remembers all the words displayed. The words and music remain on screen for about 60 seconds before the next drill starts. Or you can close the window by clicking on the display. The first drill makes the text comprehensible for English learners by also displaying the lesson in the native language, in this example, Mandarin. Support in the native language allows this application to be used for self-teaching and for integrated teaching when the English teacher does not speak in the native language. Please use 2 fingers scrolling to increase or decrease the font size. To read the whole text of the lesson, scroll to the bottom of the page. The second drill introduces speech shadowing, or speaking simultaneously with the speaker. Speech shadowing is the core activity in the proprietary reverse language resonance process. To perform this activity, we recommend putting on earphones before clicking the play button. Here is an example of speech shadowing. I am happy to hear that you have decided to improve your English. Many Chinese can write and read English, but few can speak fluently.
I know,
I know,
and I hope
and
to
I
find
hope
a
to
better
find
way
a
to
better
become
way to
fluent.
become fluent.
I am also
I am also
impressed that
impressed
you have
that you have
decided to come
decided to
to
come to
Beijing.
Beijing.
That must be
That
very
must be very
interesting for a
interesting
foreigner,
for a
since
foreigner,
our language
since
and
our
culture
language
are
and
so
culture are
different
so
from yours.
different from yours.
Click the pause button and touch any unknown word on the display to hear it pronounced by both a male and female voice. Imitate this pronunciation and repeat it a few times while watching the contextual translation of the word into Mandarin. If you are interested in other definitions of the word in Mandarin, click on the green plus button. To continue speech shadowing, click the play button again. Drill 9 includes a surprise assignment. Learners will research either a suggested topic or one of particular interest. To begin the research, learners should click Home, then open their preferred web browser. Once there, learners can highlight and copy relevant text, then open the application again and paste it into the LB Technology window. The text-to-voice recognition module on your device will read the text aloud after you click the first button at the bottom of the screen. When installing the module, select the speech rate, normal or slow, that is comfortable for you. Perform speech shadowing of the robot voice a few times using earphones and speaking aloud. When you can speech shadow without omissions, click on the stop button. Next, click on the record button and read the whole text aloud. After completing the reading, click the stop button again. The application will show your reading fluency on the display. If you want to listen to your recording, click the play button. This drill is performed after a learner completes multiple simultaneous repetitions of the lesson and additional drills to support subconscious learning. In this drill, we request the learner to record the text of the lesson using earphones along with the microphone. Click the stop button and listen to your recording by clicking the play button. If you want to re-record, click on the record button again. You can find the recording on your personal device in the folder LBT_record and share it with your friends or, in the case of blended learning, your teacher. Testing active vocabulary is the last drill to each lesson. Click the record button, then on the play button, first button at the bottom of the screen. You will see a word selected randomly from the text of the current lesson. Create a few sentences describing something from your experiences, sparked off by the displayed word. It does not matter what you say, as long as you can automatically express your feelings or thoughts ignited by this word. For example, I was impressed how quickly she was able to repeat the whole lesson without making any mistakes. After you have said one or two sentences, click on the play button again and repeat this procedure for the next word on the screen. Repeat this testing for more than 10 words and then click the stop button to finish recording your sentences. You can find the recording of testing results on your personal device in the folder LBT_record and share it with your friends or, in the case of blended learning, your teacher. The patented language bridge technology restores our innate ability to learn a new language by turning off cross-translation and activating learners' ability for learning subconsciously. The method of learning a foreign language addresses the skills of digital learners, allowing them to use their smartphones for learning a foreign language. This combines state-of-the-art technology with proven innovative language training methods.